So let's talk actual flush as well, because this actually functions very well as an actual toilet, keeping the bowl nice and clean, making sure your flushes count, and also making sure that it's not using too much water while having a powerful burst of water to make sure that your flush works properly. One thing that I love about this, and especially if you have kids, you're gonna love about this, it automatically flushes when you get up. So that is really, really cool. And say you might be standing in front of the toilet. If you need to flush that way, all you have to do is press the button down here, and let's check out this flush in person. Super nice, right? Lots of power without using too much water. It does it automatically, and if you need to, you can just press the little button down there with your toe. Means no one ever has to touch a dirty flush knob, keeping everything nice and hygienic.